Ever pondered the top 10 places to visit in Georgia? Welcome to a land where the past and present intertwine, where the mountains meet the sea, where the wine flows as freely as the conversation. Georgia, a country bursting with vibrant culture, rich history, and breathtaking natural beauty. This video will take you on a whirlwind tour of the 10 must-visit destinations in this enchanting corner of the world. So buckle up and prepare for a journey through the vibrant culture, history, and natural beauty of Georgia. We start our exploration in Tbilisi, the bustling capital and heart of Georgia. A city where east meets west, Tbilisi is a melting pot of cultures that has managed to maintain its unique identity. You'll find a mesmerizing blend of European and Asian architecture, with ornate Art Nouveau buildings standing side by side, with traditional wooden houses and futuristic structures. The city is alive with a vibrant nightlife, filled with trendy bars, clubs, and world-class restaurants that offer a taste of Georgia's famous hospitality and delicious cuisine. But Tbilisi is not just about the present. It has a rich history that is palpable in its cobblestone streets, ancient churches, and the Narikala fortress, an emblem of the city's resilience. Tbilisi is a city of contrasts, where the old coexists with the new, and tranquility can be found amidst the hustle and bustle. It's a city that never sleeps and always welcomes. Next, we journey to Batumi, a city where modern architecture meets the Black Sea. Batumi, nestled in the southwestern corner of Georgia, is a place where the charm of the past mingles effortlessly with the vibrancy of the present. One can't help but be captivated by the city's stunning botanical gardens. This verdant oasis is home to a myriad of plant species, a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. Strolling through the lush landscapes, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of serene tranquility. Batumi's modern architecture is another facet that sets it apart. The city's skyline is a fascinating blend of sleek contemporary designs and ornate historical structures. The juxtaposition is beautifully jarring, a visual spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. And then there's the charming seaside promenade. A leisurely walk along this stretch offers breathtaking views of the Black Sea, a sight that's simply unforgettable. Batumi, a city that blends the beauty of nature and architecture. Now, let's travel back in time to the ancient Uplistsikhe cave town. Nestled in eastern Georgia, Uplistsikhe is a captivating glimpse into the past. This rock-hewn city, one of the oldest urban settlements in Georgia, is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of ancient civilizations. Uplistsikhe's labyrinth of caves and tunnels, carved straight into the sandstone cliffs, once housed an entire community. From temples and bakeries to a theater and even a prison, this city was a bustling hub of commerce and culture, etching its mark in history. The city's strategic location on the Silk Road, the ancient trade route linking China and the West, added to its significance. It was a melting pot of cultural and intellectual exchange, making it an integral part of Georgian history. The city's unique architecture, its blend of pagan and Christian influences, and the stories it whispers through the centuries make it a must-visit site. Uplistsikhe, where history is etched in stone. Next, we explore the remote mountainous region of Svaneti. This rugged gem in the heart of the Caucasus is a wonderland of nature's splendor, a place where towering peaks meet emerald green valleys and roaring rivers. But it's not just the breathtaking scenery that sets Svaneti apart. Dotting the landscape are the unique Svan towers, centuries-old stone structures that once served as both dwellings and fortresses. These towers are a testament to the region's rich history and the resilience of the Svan people. Speaking of the Svan people, their centuries-old traditions continue to thrive. From their hauntingly beautiful polyphonic singing to their vibrant festivals and rituals, the culture of the Svan is as captivating as the land they inhabit. In Svaneti, you don't just visit a destination, you step back in time, immersing yourself in a world where tradition and nature intertwine in the most spectacular ways. Svaneti, a gateway to Georgia's past. Our journey continues to Mtskheta, one of the oldest cities in Georgia. As we delve into its rich history, we can't help but marvel at the ancient churches that dot its skyline, each a testament to Georgia's deep-rooted Christian heritage. Among these, the Svetitsko Cathedral and the Gori Monastery stand out, both recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Svetitsko Cathedral, also known as the life-giving pillar, is an architectural marvel dating back to the 4th century. The Gori Monastery, perched atop a hill, offers breathtaking views of the city and the confluence of the Mtskheta and Aragvi rivers. Mtskheta's importance in Georgian Christian history is unparalleled. It was here that Christianity was declared the state religion in the early 4th century, a move that profoundly influenced Georgian culture and society. Mtskheta is more than just an ancient city. It's a spiritual sanctuary, where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the whispers of faith. Mtskheta, where ancient roots meet spiritual significance. Next, we visit Gori, a city steeped in recent history. Situated in the heart of Georgia, Gori is a city that's as intriguing as it is historically significant. This city is famously known as the birthplace of Joseph Stalin, one of the most controversial figures of the 20th century. The city's association with Stalin is evident in the Joseph Stalin Museum, a complex consisting of the dictator's childhood home, an impressive statue, and a museum dedicated to his life. This museum provides a unique, if somewhat disputed, perspective on Stalin's life and legacy. Moving away from the shadow of its past, Gori is also home to a majestic fortress. The Gori fortress, perched on a hill overlooking the city, is a testament to Georgia's rich history. This medieval fortress, with its stunning views of the city, is a must-visit for any history enthusiast. Gori is also known for its other fascinating museums, including the Museum of Military Glory, showcasing Georgia's turbulent past. Gori, a city that wears its history on its sleeve. Now we venture into Borjomi, renowned for its mineral water park. As we delve deeper into the heart of Georgia, we find ourselves in Borjomi, a city that bubbles with natural beauty and an effervescent charm. Borjomi is best known for its mineral water, which is not only a refreshing local beverage, but also a symbol of the city's rich natural resources. This water is sourced from springs deep within the city's lush, verdant parks, adding a unique earthy flavor that is quintessentially Borjomi. But the city's charm isn't just bottled up. It spills over into its beautiful parks, where locals and tourists alike can soak in the awe-inspiring views. These parks serve as the city's lungs, providing a breath of fresh air amidst the hustle and bustle of Georgian life. Beyond the city limits lies the stunning Borjomi Karagauli National Park. As one of the largest national parks in Georgia, it's a wild expanse of untamed beauty, offering a sanctuary for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Borjomi, where nature's bounty flows. Next, we ascend to Kazbegi, a town surrounded by the awe-inspiring Caucasus Mountains. This place, where the sky meets the earth, is a feast for the eyes and the soul. The majestic mountain views are a constant companion here, painting a picture of serene beauty that changes with the seasons, but never loses its charm. The crowning jewel of Kazbegi is the iconic Gergeti Trinity Church, perched high on a hill and often baptized by the clouds. This centuries-old symbol of Georgia offers a spiritual journey, coupled with a panoramic view of the town below and the mountains beyond, that leaves visitors in awe. But the allure of Kazbegi goes beyond the visual. It calls to the adventurous spirit, offering opportunities for hiking, climbing, and even paragliding. Whether you're seeking tranquility or thrill, Kazbegi has something to offer. And so we end our tour of this mountain paradise, with its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Kazbegi, where nature reigns supreme. Our penultimate stop is Kutaisi, one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. This city, nestled in the heart of Georgia, is a living testament to the country's rich history that spans over 3,000 years. As you wander through its streets, you are walking in the footsteps of ancient civilizations, each one leaving its unique mark on the city's fabric. Kutaisi is home to 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Bagrati Cathedral and Galati Monastery. The Bagrati Cathedral, with its grand architecture, is a symbol of the city's resilience, while the Galati Monastery, a masterpiece of the Georgian Golden Age, whispers tales of a time when the city was a renowned center of science and education. But don't think Kutaisi is stuck in the past. This city is very much alive and buzzing. The vibrant local life, fueled by bustling markets, lively cafes, and friendly locales, makes the city a joy to explore. Kutaisi, where history and culture intertwine. Finally, we arrive at Vardzia, Georgia's breathtaking cave monastery. This remarkable sanctuary, carved into the side of the Erusheti mountain, is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the medieval Georgian people. Established in the 12th century, Vardzia was more than a religious site. It was a thriving city with over 600 living quarters, a throne room, and even a pharmacy. The labyrinth of tunnels and staircases, coupled with the unique architectural design, provides a fascinating glimpse into Georgia's past. What makes Vardzia the top place to visit in Georgia, you ask? It's the blend of history, mystery, and natural beauty. The panoramic views of the surrounding landscape from the monastery are simply spectacular, making Vardzia not just a journey into history, but also a feast for the eyes. Vardzia, a testament to Georgia's enduring spirit. And that concludes our tour of the top 10 places to visit in Georgia. We hope you enjoyed.